today's episode of Turkey Burping.
Good job, buddy.
Okay, so it's the holiday season. Some refer to it lovingly as the most wonderful time of year. I am very festive. If you don't know what movie this is from, it's A Christmas Story. Anyways, I love Christmas. Masubi says hi. I love Christmas, but more specifically, I love Secret Santa at work. It's one of my favorite things to participate in. And my Secret Santa sent me a gift yesterday, and I need to show it to you. So just a second. Do you see how great this is? It has feathers on the back. The boys are like, what the heck is going on? This silly little face, little hat. This is one of the greatest Secret Santa gifts that I've probably ever received. And I will cherish it forever. So, Merry Christmas a few weeks early.